Okay, today our lesson will be the length of line segment, or we call it the distance formula. We can find distance between any 2 points, or we can find length between any 2 points. Given the line segment AB, I can find the length of AB. I should be given the coordinates of A, x1, y1, coordinates of B, x2, y2. What will be the length from A to B? This is a formula we have, which we can derive it in class, but here we have only the difference in x's square plus the difference in y's square. Just this is a formula for length, or distance formula we call it. So let's see some examples here. Find the length of AB. If we are given A is 5, 8 and B is negative 6, 4. So we say length of AB. Length of AB, which is the square root of negative 6 minus 5 square plus 4 minus 8 square. This is the square root of negative 6 minus 5 is negative 11 square plus negative 4 square. We know that if we square any number, it becomes a positive number. This is 121 plus 16, which is square root of 137, which is approximately 11.7. This is approximate value, this is exact value. If we leave it under square root, it's an exact value. If we do decimals, it's called approximate value. Okay, B. Find the length of the median. Find the length of the median. Find the length of the median from A. If A is 3, negative 6 to the side BC, where B is negative 4, 6, and C is 2, 0. Okay, so find length. Let's make this one. Okay, find the length. Okay, now let's see how it looks like. We have, let's create a triangle here so that we visualize that. If I have this triangle here, triangle ABC, we are finding the length from A to the midpoint. We know that the median is always midpoint. This is the median. The median should not be perpendicular. It might be, but it's not necessarily perpendicular. So we are finding median AM. So to find the length of this, we have to find first midpoint. So find midpoint of BC. The midpoint will be negative 4 plus 2 divided by 2, 6 plus 0 divided by 2, which is negative 2 over 2, 6 over 2, which is -1, 3. That is m. So since we have m and we have a, we can find the length of am. Now, length of am, this is m, will be square root of, we have a is 3, -6. Therefore, if this is 3, -6, and m is -1, 3, we are finding the distance from a to m. Therefore, it will be -6 or -1, so -1 minus 3 square plus 3 minus 6 square. This will be equal to square root of -1 minus 3 will be -4 square plus 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 square. So this will be square root of 16 plus 81, which is square root of 97, which is approximately 9.85. Therefore, length of median from A is 9.85. Okay, so that's the length formula combined with the midpoint and with the median. So that's it for the length formula.